Hi viewers, if you want to get rid of it simply like one by one, you have to merge and then all the center will be merged one by one. So you have to get rid of it. In a smart way, you don't have to do these things one by one. So let's start. You have to undo all changes. Then you have to select the area you want to merge the centers of it. And in the last, you have to enter Alt, H, M and A. Then you will be see the result on the screen. All the area you have selected is merged right now. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.